everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. Today I'm gonna walk you through some simple steps to hide your birthday on Twitter. So without wasting a minute more, let's jump into the video. So first of all, you have to open the Twitter app on your mobile device. It can be any device, Android or iPhone. The steps are the same. So you just have to open the Twitter app and then you have to tap your profile icon at the top left corner. From here you have to go to your profile by pressing the profile button. Now here you will see the option to edit your profile, so press that. Now here at the bottom you will see your date of birth. So to change its privacy setting, you have to tap your date of birth. And now here, as you can see, my privacy is already set to only you. Alright, so if you want to change the privacy for month and day, you have to press that and you will get 5 options. So you can set it to public, you can set it to your followers, or you can set it to people you follow, or you can also set it to you follow each other. Apart from that, you can also set it to only you so that no one will be able to see your date of birth on Twitter. Alright, so that's how you can change the setting of your date of birth. Similarly, you can hide your year of birth as well. So press that and you can set it to, again you get 5 options: public, your followers, people you follow each other, or only you. Alright, so you get 2 options. First is to hide your month and day, and second is to hide your year. Once you have changed the settings of your date of birth on Twitter, you have to press continue of the page, top right corner, and then you have to press save. So don't forget to press save, otherwise your changes will not get saved. So yeah, press save. So yeah, it will ask that you are confirming that this is your date of birth and it's accurate, and if it is not, your account may be affected. So I'm gonna press confirm. So that's all you need to do to hide your birthday on Twitter. So yeah, that was all for this video, and if you still have any queries or if you need any help, you can ask me in the comment section below. Before leaving, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and with that I will take the leave now. We'll see you the next time.